Namaskaram. Sadhguru tells us that fasting for Ekadashi is very beneficial for our health. It also helps us in a very conscious way of eating and living. Ekadashi happens on the 11th day after the new moon and full moon, and it happens twice a month. So it's very beneficial for our health, and it also cleanses our cells, the cancer cells, and also helps with our thought process. And it's very beneficial to fast for Ekadashi days. So if you're going to eat dinner tonight by 8 p.m., then for the next 24 hours you will live on water, and then you will break the fast by eating dinner the next day only. So for Ekadashi, when you break the fast on the next day for dinner, you can make very simple recipes. So today I'm making Saamai Dosai. For this I'm soaking 2 cups of Saamai, which is called as little millet, and a cup of sabudana, which is called sago, in water, and then grinding them after 5 hours in a blender. So once it is blended well, we'll be adding salt also. Meanwhile, let's soak 2 handfuls of peanuts for peanut chutney. Let this also get soaked for 5 to 6 hours. We have to drain away all the water from the peanut after soaking, because it will take away the pitta content. Pitta is not very good for our health, so it's very essential to soak the peanuts. Now let's heat up a pan with sesame oil, and let's add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and urad dal, and then let's add 5 or 6 red chilies, and then let's add in the soaked peanuts after draining away all the water, and then we'll add a little bit of curry leaves, and then give it a good stir for about 5 minutes, and then let's add in salt and coconut and grind it into a chutney. You may choose to add a small piece of tamarind also when you grind the chutney. Now for the dosa batter, once you grind them, add 2 cups of yogurt and salt and ferment them for about 2 to 3 hours, and then make dosas like this with enough oil, and then serve them with peanut chutney. So this dosa does not require a lot of fermentation. Just 2 hours is enough. So can you see the bubbles? It means that it is fermented quite well. The yogurt also helps in fermentation, and you can flip the dosas by adding oil, and then you can serve this as a Ekadashi dinner. Saamai or little millet has got a lot of protein content, and sago has got a lot of starch content, and peanuts are very good in protein. So it's very good to break your day-long fast with this kind of menu. These dosas are very tasty to eat. You can serve the dosa immediately once you make them, or you can even make it ahead, but it's good to eat it quite hot. I'll be sharing a lot more videos for Ekadashi dinner in the coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and also I hope that you will be trying out some of these recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskaram.